Hi and welcome to the tutorial for favorite features located here in your main menu. I will be running in Windows, but you of course may also run it on your Mac. So this is another app for gathering user preferences, particularly about certain features of a product, and they can rank the features and give free responses about their rankings. Now, this sort of feedback is important because it can help to guide design as far as feature placement, grouping, layout, the importance of the particular features. So it can be quite helpful. Essentially, we're going to create a text list of different features. And now, when I say features here, I'm going to use it sort of synonymously with controls, but certainly there can be many other types of features of a product or interface or website, whatever you happen to be working on. Okay, so I'm just going to call this, say, MP3, and that's going to be the tutorial. So let's type in some features. Say the play button, say stop button, and pause. Okay, and you can type many, many more. It's just for the purposes of the tutorial, we'll do 3. And then here is our existing feature list right here. Now if you want to edit this or copy this so you don't have to rewrite that whole text list, you can make that copy and do that. Okay, so now let's run an experiment. Again, if you're going to run 10 or 30 people or however many people you're going to run, you'll bring them in and get some feedback here. So I'm going to hit run experiment and I'll drop down. First time you run an experiment, you're going to want to save the name of the experiment. So I'll just call this MP3 tutorial. Okay, so just a quick point, you'll see, I'm just going to maximize this, that each of these items in the text list were placed, and they'll randomly be placed. So there won't be a certain bias, like there wouldn't be play always at the top, stop, and then pause. We don't want to bias anyone in terms of importance. It's when they go to rank things. So they just click and drag. Let's put play down here. Let's say stop is medium, pause, let's say is the lowest importance. And then they can say, I ranked the feature play the highest because, and blah 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 blah. Now if they hit reset, it shoots all these back up into the main workspace up there. Now let's remember that's participant 1. Okay, let's hit submit, and yes. Okay, so this is an existing experiment. Now we have one participant's feedback. Let's do another. You can see how they're differently placed here. Let's just put that here, here, here. I'm just randomly putting these in, and we'll type some letters there. Okay, so let's analyze the data. What this will do is it will get it ready essentially for the spreadsheet. And that's the great part about this, is there's no more data entry and you don't have to do the analysis. This is all done automatically for you. So here's the folder for the results, and you should see the spreadsheet right here, and you'll see it has the name of the experiment, and then this is just the template. Now if you have Excel open already, it'll open a little bit faster. If you don't, you'll have to wait a little bit. It may take a couple minutes. Okay, great. So you can see, let's look at the second tab real quick. You can see the rationale behind what they wrote. First participant wrote the second participant wrote that. Stats. So you can look at these two different ways. If you want to look at, okay, let's look at in terms of rankings, what was ranked high the most, and you can see here in the percentage of time it was ranked at that level. Or if you want to look as far as the features, here's play, stop, pause. You can see the different rankings and how many times, the frequency that they were ranked in that area, and to that level of importance, and then also the percentages. So I'm just going to close that up. Now, of course, I looked at the results here, and if you ever want to see the results without having to go into the app, just go into the global results folder, and then favorite feature, results, and there it is. Okay, that is favorite feature. Thank you.